questions of a polynomial about linear and quadratic, cubic we discussed. And today we'll go to next another one topic, division algorithm for polynomials. This is the last topic in this polynomials, ma. Division algorithm of a polynomial for a polynomial for polynomial. See, ma, suppose we will take one example that is very easy example only we will take. So how we have to find any solution or whatever it may be. Suppose take some example. Take some example here. That is x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. Now see here one example I given, what is that? X cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. So here what we have to find means division algorithm. Actually what we find in previous class, see ma, actually in previous class we discussed about that zeros and quotients of the polynomials. Now we'll take the division algorithm for the polynomials. See here x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3 is there. That is one of the equation. Okay, for this equation has to find the division algorithm. How we has to find the division algorithm means, yesterday what we discussed, we put suppose put x equal to 1. Suppose if you kept x equal to 1, that is 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 1 plus 3. Means this is 1 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3. Means which is equal to 0. Means what are the value we are keeping in this equation, we are getting the 0. So we can say this is the 0 of that polynomial. So here also like that only. But here what we have to do means, here suppose they give x equal to 1. So already we discussed about the zeros and coefficients of the polynomials. Zeros of the polynomials what? P of x equal to 0. Means this equation x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3 is equal to 0 has to come. While keeping x equal to 1, we get 0. Then P of x equal to 0. Means here x minus 1 equal to 0 only, no? See, x equal to 1 means this one, this side will come means x minus 1. Here nothing is there means 1. Again write x equal to 1 only. Again you got this only, no ma. So here what we have to write means x minus 1 is a factor of x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. But see, already we know about the factors. Means by using the numbers. Suppose take 12. What are the factors for 12? 1 into 12. 2 into 6. 3 into 4. Again 4 into 3. 6 into 2. 12 into 1. So like that. Without repetition means we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Total how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers. Means here 1 is the factor of 12, 2 is the factor, 3 is the factor, 4 factor, 6 factor, and again 12, 12 only factor for 12. So like that only here we have to write down factor. So here x minus 1 is the factor of x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. So here we got only one value, but here x cube means degree is 3. Suppose degree is 3 means how many zeros we will get? 3 zeros will get. For starting onwards we are learning that only. So here only 1 0 we got. Remaining 2 zeros we have to find. How we have to find? By using division algorithm we will find that one. Okay, now we got the x minus 1. By using this x minus 1, we will find another 2 factors for x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. How we will find? See ma, x minus 1. All of you know about the division. Division means what we have to find. Suppose take 36 divided by 4 means 4 we have to take 36. Otherwise you can take here 37 you can take 37. How many times? 4 nines are 36 and remainder is 1. So here 37 is what ma? It is dividend. Yes or no? This 4 is divisor. This is quotient and this is remainder. What is the formula? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Yes or no? 37 is equal to 4 into 9 plus 1 which is equal to 36 plus 1 which is equal to 37. 37 equal to 37 we got or not? Yes, we got. So here like this only now we will do. So this is x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3 is the dividend and x minus 1 is the divisor. So we will get here quotient and remainder we will get. See, x minus 1. This is x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. So what we have to do means here first term is x cube. So side you can take here x cube. That is rough work. Compulsory has to do the rough work. Okay, in this first term is x. So x cube by x he has to do. X cube by x means how much? It is x square. So now this x square is there, no? That x square we have to multiply with this divisor. So x square into x minus 1 which is equal to x cube minus x square. So this is the final answer. The final answer has to write down here. Before that, x cube is divided by x. What is the answer here? X square. That x square he has to write down as a coefficient. And you write down here this one. X cube minus x square. Now what he has to do means, he has to change the signs. X cube will cancel. Here minus 3x square is plus x square. So how much it is? 3 minus 1. Here nothing is there means 1 is there. 3 minus 1 it is 2. 2x square. But which symbol is there here? Which is the highest number here? 3 is the highest. So 3 number beside before which sign is there? It is negative sign. So keep here minus. And write down this minus x plus 3. Now again you can take this number. In this is the first number. Minus 2x square by, in this is the x which is equal to minus 2x. Minus 2x into, again multiply this divisor. X minus 1 which is equal to minus 2x square plus 2x. Write down. Minus 2x square plus 2x. Again change these symbols, signs, plus, minus. This 2 will cancel. Here nothing is there means 1 is there. 1 plus 1, 2. This is 3. Minus 3x plus 3. Why you got here minus 3? Because here minus 2 is there, not plus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1. So minus 2 minus 1 means then you will get the value. See minus x plus minus 3x plus 3 got. Again I will take here minus 3x. Minus 3x by x which is equal to minus 3. Sorry, here I forgot to write this number. Again I done here minus 3. So minus 3 into x minus 1 which is equal to minus 3x plus 3. Write down here minus 3x plus 3. Change the symbols. This is plus, this is minus. Both will cancel, you will get the remainder 0. So here he has to find. So what we got finally? X square minus 2x plus 3 you got. Yes or no? So that is the equation for you. So what we has to write down means here, see ma, here he has to write down that dividend equal to divisor plus is there, no, that one he has to write down ma. See, finally you got that x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3, which is equal to x minus 1 into x square minus 2x minus 3 plus 0 means we has to write down our content. Why? Because means this is the dividend. Dividend equal to, this is the divisor. Divisor into, this is the quotient ma. Okay. Quotient plus remainder. Remainder you can take here 0. See ma, like that has to find the values. And again by using this x square minus 2x minus 3 is there, no? That one directly we can find the values. How we has to find the values ma? That one directly we can able to find. Means see here. See x square minus 2x minus 3. So take the factors. 1 into minus 3 equal to minus 3. 1 minus 3 means that is minus 2. So x square plus x minus 3x minus 3. Means x you take the common means x plus 1 plus 3. Minus 3 has to take the common. Minus 3 have to take the common means this is x plus 1. So x plus 1, x minus 3. So you got the three values. But here what they ask means division algorithm for polynomials. That is the question. So division algorithm for the polynomial means just has to do like this only. They'll give you divisor and they'll give the dividend. Means directly they give the divisor and dividend means for which we has to divide. So directly we has to take like this and we has to do that. Finally we'll get the 0, otherwise we'll get the remainder some 1, 2, 3, whatever it may be, it will come. Suppose if you read that is correct or wrong, what we has to do? Verification is there. What is that verification? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Just once copy it ma. Just once copy it. Suppose if you want to do the division, compulsory this rough work is very, very important ma. While you are taking this one, suppose this is the white paper. So you have to take some large margin at your right side, not left side ma. Right side has to take some large margin, has to give some more gap. How much you are giving, that much double or triple has to give and has to do that one. Because see, here I forgot to write here minus 2x and minus 3. Suppose while you are doing an examination, this is compulsory 4-mark question for your final examination mark. This is one of the questions. In this only got 2 questions. Is compulsory you'll get the graph, and after that maybe it will give for you 2 marks or 4 marks. It is very, very important question. This type of question is very important. So sometimes if you forgot here to write
Completed, madam.
so while you are writing, while you are doing here upper is there, no? If any teacher will see the rough work, here it is their answers. X square minus 2x minus 3 is there. Here x square minus 2x minus 3. Suppose you forgot to write any digit or any number here, means suppose here it is there, means if the teacher who are correcting your answer sheet, if you see means if it is correct means sometimes they'll give the chance to give the marks for you. Suppose you forgot to write here this number. Suppose here this rough work is there. This not rough work is compulsory has to write down in this book notebook only. Okay. Suppose I forgot to write here it is there means compulsory the teacher. Maybe means it is compulsory they will give at least that is 2 mark means at least they will give 1.5 mark at least. So don't forget to write the rough work. Okay, ma. Now dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is the formula for us. Yes or no? Suppose take here 37 divided by 4. 37, 9s are 36, 1. So 37 equal to 4 into 9 plus 1 means 36 plus 1. Already we discussed. So like that now we will do the verification for this. And verification also sometimes it is very, very important. So now I am erasing this one. See, verification means what we have to write. First we have to write down the formula. What is that formula? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is very, very important. So now we can take the verification. My verification is not there, but here I am doing. Why? Because means suppose what we did is that correct or wrong, we don't know. Yes or no? So now we'll do. What is the first one is dividend. Dividend means what here? X cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3, which is equal to divisor is x minus 1. And after the quotient is x square minus 2x minus 3 plus remainder is 0. Now multiply these two numbers, ma. Okay, how will multiply? See here, x minus 1 into x square minus 2x minus 3, which is equal to x into x square minus 2x minus 3 minus 1 into x square minus 2x minus 3. Okay. Now multiply this is x cube minus 2x square minus 3x. This is minus x square plus 2x plus 3. Now add more x cube. Here minus 2x square, here minus x square means that is minus 3x square. Here minus 3x, here plus 2x means that is minus x plus 3. So now what he has to substitute? Suppose take this is equation 1. This is take 2. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. Then what will get? X cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3 equal to x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3 plus 0. Plus 0 means nothing but you will get x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. Yes or no? See, ma, means whatever the left side is there, that is equal to right side you got while doing the verification. So if you got any doubt, what we did that is correct or wrong, so simply we'll go to verification. What is the verification? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. By using this formula, we can go to verification. That is correct or wrong, automatically you will get that chance. Suppose any mistake is there, means somewhere we did that wrong. Where we did once we has to go to back and we has to verify. That is very, very easy, much. Note on it, all of you. Note down.
Completed, ma'am.
Not complete, ma'am.
Okay, write down now. Simon, verification is very important. This is very important problem. This checkup is very important for your final examination. Compulsory in this chapter you will get 2 questions more. One is graph and second one is this type of question, and you'll get 2 marks and 1 mark and half mark also. Suppose it is a paper 1 and 2 is there for you, means it will come like that only. Shall I raise it now?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now this is one of the type, and here we can see another problem. Now you will take another problem. What does that mean? Divide. Suppose take another example. Divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x
సరే మేడం స్క్రీన్ పైన వేరే వాళ్ళు వస్తున్నారు మేడం.
See, ma, here what we have to do means first we have to arrange in exact order. First x cube will come. So here has to write down minus x cube. Minus after that plus 3x square. Minus 3x plus 5. Divided by minus x square plus x minus 1. Why? Because means first x cube will come. What is the power here? Highest power x cube. So x cube plus x square minus 3x plus 5. So like that is given. Here also we have to write down like this only. Now take here divisor. Minus x square plus x minus 1. This is minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Now see here I am doing rough one. First one is minus x cube by minus x square. What is that? It is x will come. X into minus x square plus x minus 1. That is minus x cube plus x square minus x. What is that here? This is x. Write down the value here. Minus x cube plus x square minus x. Now substitute, change the values. See signs. Plus, minus, plus. This both will cancel. Here x square will come for you. This is minus 2x plus 5. Okay, ma'am? Now minus x square by plus x square by minus x square. You will get what value you will get from here? Finally, that is this is 2x square. You will get 2. Yes or no? Means 3 minus 1, that is 2x square now. Minus 2 you will get. So minus 2 into minus x square plus x minus 1. That is 2x square minus 2x plus 2. Now here has to multiply. So write down here 2x square minus 2x plus 2. Minus plus minus. You got remainder 3. Yes or no? Remainder 3 you got. Now you have to verify that is correct or not. Verification. Now we did the value that is correct or wrong. We have to find. Verification is what is that? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder mark. Right down full. What is the dividend? This is minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5, which is equal to minus x square plus x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus 3. Multiply minus x square plus x minus 1 into x minus 2. Means first x into minus x square plus x minus 1 minus 2 into minus x square plus x minus 1. That is minus x square plus x square minus x plus 2x square minus 2x plus 2. That is minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 2. This is the equation 1 you can take. This is the equation 2 you can take. Now substitute equation 2 in equation 1. What will get? Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5, which is equal to minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 2. And here remember how much you got? 3 plus 3 and you have to add. So finally you get minus 3x square, 3x cube minus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. So which is equal. See ma, when you got that like that means he has to add that remainder also. Here I added that remainder also. Just note on it ma. After note on it, once go to that exercise, in that exercise all sums, it is very easy ma. It's very easy. You have to do that all types of sums. So for this we are completed. Our polynomials topic for this we are completed ma. Okay, so after this one we are completed this polynomials. Once go to the exercise means If anyone with your textbook is there, means once open it, ma. See, ma, first Roman, second Roman, and all Romans is very easy for you. Has to write, find out the quotient and remainder. Means P of x, G of x they given. See, ma, here if any dot means once observe here, and dividend is and divisor once compare. Here first one is x cube, here second one is x square. Always dividend is greater than divisor. See, ma, this is dividend. Dividend is greater than divisor only. No, here x cube is there, here x square is there. Means x cube is greater than x square. So keep it in mind that one. So when the numbers means any question they given means directly you can blindly we can follow that one. Once see what questions is there and we can find the solution. So for Roman number 1 and 2 it is very easy, ma. It has to do. And after that come to third one. Ma, have you completed this one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Completed, madam.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma. Ma, for third questions I'll give you some clues. By using the clues you have to do. Okay. First two Romans is already set to you. How it has to do? Same formula. Has to apply like this only. The example just comes to the verification. Ma, don't make noise, anyone. See, third one. Mute yourself. After all other zeros of x square minus 10x 5. Ma, be silent. Ma, see here x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 4 means how many zeros will get? 4 zeros will get. Yes, 4 zeros will be there for us. But in this question, they give only 2 zeros. What is the 2 zeros? Ma, keep silent, ma. By 3 and minus 5 by 3 root. So these are two alpha comma beta are another 2 roots. By using the formulas, what is that? Sum of the zeros and product of the zeros he has to take. Sum of the zeros means he has to add all these. Means alpha plus beta plus 5 by 3 root minus 5 by 3 root. All will cancel, alpha plus beta will come. Alpha plus beta is nothing but how much means you will get 2. Minus 2 you will get. How will you get means here A equal to 3, B equal to 6, C equal to minus 2, D equal to minus 10 and E equal to minus 3 has to write down. Okay. Ma, while doing like that you will get, ma. See there alpha plus beta and gamma something they given, no? Ma, who are changing the screen, ma, like that? See, ma, first you have to write down A equal to 3, B equal to 6, C equal to minus 2,